We are just days away from the hotly anticipated return of Oasis to Irish soil with their 2 dates at Dublin's Croke Park. So we're here outside the Oasis pop-up merch store in St Stephen's Green to ask Oasis fans if they know the lyrics to some of their most popular songs. Would you say you're a big Oasis fan?
No. I think I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a massive Oasis.
Massive Oasis fan?
All the albums. Only got 90 quid all this was.
I'm going to sing the first line of an Oasis song.
Oh, Jesus, Friday.
And I need you to finish the lyric.
Oh my God.
Today is gonna be the day
That they're gonna throw it back to you.
By now you should have somehow
Realize what you got to do.
I don't believe that anybody
Feels the way I do about you now.
I said maybe
You gotta be the one that saved me.
And after all
You're a shooting star.
I don't feel as if I know you.
You take up all my time.
The days are long and the nights may throw you away.
'Cause the sun don't shine.
She's electric.
She's in a family full of eccentrics.